see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. It's a new day to discover all the wonder. Maybe we'll uncover new.
So ang tandaan ninyo at sinumang hindi tumanggap sa paghahari ng Diyos tulad ng isang maliit na bata ay hindi mapapabilang sa mga pinaghaharian niya.
I can see everything from up here. We can travel like
At muli nagsilang sa pamamagitan ng tubig at ng Espiritu Santo upang maging Kristiyano kayo, mapisan sa bayan ng Diyos.
Birthday, Aki!
gather round now to watch the sunset together. See everything from here.
Welcome to Aki's first birthday!
I used to be
Kaya Lucas, yung something na nag-bring ulit ng joy, and Lucas means bringer of light. And then George, kasi doon kami sa Georgia, sa ibang bansa. Then Akio, a touch of Japanese, pero same meaning, which is bringer of light.
whatever you do, just don't look down. You won't know what's out there if you don't find out.
Yung dumating sa akin si Aki, sobrang, syempre, number one, nakakatakot, pero masaya, deep inside, overwhelmed sa lahat ng mga bagay. I'm so very happy na siya yung naging anak ko at ako yung naging mother niya.
Good days start right now.
Sobrang joy din. Kaya hindi ma-explain ng joy. Especially nga yung rainbow baby siya. Sumaya kami ng sobra kasi unexpected.
The world, but nobody does it quite like you. Mona Lisa, you're a star. Let that spotlight shine on you.
Thank you, Aki, kasi dumating ka sa life namin and lagi kang masayahin and super sweet mo, lagi mo akong kinakadel, hinahag. I love you so much.
Thank you, Aki. Sobrang thank you. Dumating ka sa buhay namin ng mama mo. Kasi ikaw nga yung bigay ulit ng joy sa amin after magkaroon ng miscarriage ni mama. Happy birthday, Aki! Happy birthday, Aki!
Good days start right now. Good days start right now.
Birthday message ko lang sa'yo is sa pagtanda mo, huwag kang matakot na i-achieve mo kung ano yung mga dreams mo.
Happy birthday, Aki, na sobrang thankful ako kay Lord. Yung humingi kong love, binibigay mo sa akin. I love you so much, anak.
You wanna do, be who you wanna be. Good days start right now.
Happy first birthday, Aki! Mahal na mahal ka namin!
Now